Students, you must have finished fraction nicely. You have practiced and you have understood nicely the fraction, especially the operations of fraction like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and its word problem. Addition of unlike term, a subtraction of unlike term, and the word problems are not very easy. Some arithmetical calculation is also involved, and then you need to understand how much is the remaining fraction and some part of the remaining fraction. Once again, that all things you should understand. If you practice, it will be very thorough. And at the end of the fraction, one lesson is there. There is, one small part of the fraction is also there, and that is also understood to you. That is very simple. I hope you have practiced it out, if any, especially the word problem. Talk to me. Now it's a time to go to the next lesson of a second term, that is called simplification. This simplification is very interesting, isn't it? You have solved it in your previous standard, but one thing is that simplification give you joy when your answer is correct. If you don't follow a particular rule meticulously, then you may land into the wrong answer. That is why listen carefully and you will definitely have a concrete idea on simplification. Before we move on to the simplification, we must know the learning objective of this lesson. Learning objective means what are the things you are going to learn at the end of this lesson. Okay, first is definition of simplification. What do you understand by simplification? Simplification means, you know that math is having four basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In one sum, if you will have to do all this operation together, or you will have to do repeated of this all this operation, then and come to a solution, that is called simplification. And once you implement repeated addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division, then you need to have the bracket help, that bracket work along with all this operation together. If you solve it and come to a solution, that is called simplification. Now simplification follows a strict compliances of one rule, that is called Badmas. Here the Badmas is not the Bengali meaning dustu. Here the Badmas is an abbreviated form, BODMAS. B stands for bracket, you are knowing it till I will narrate. O stands for op, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. But why it is given Badmas? You have to follow this order. You have to, this is the sequence you have to follow. First bracket work, within the bracket work, plus division, multiplication, subtraction, addition, subtraction, then op work you have to do. If division and op is given to you, or multiplication is also given to you, first you do op work, then you do division work, then you do multiplication work. That order you should follow. And then op, then division, then multiplication, addition, subtraction. But in the bracket also there are four kinds of bracket, mind it, and all the four kinds of bracket also follows the sequence. What are the sequence this follows? First bracket is called line bracket or bar bracket. Over anything some bar is there. That means 23 plus 7 work has to be done first. In the bracket also first work will be bar bracket work. This sign will be there over some digit or some part, which is called bar bracket or vinculum. Vinculum, you should know it because you never know, in objective questions it may come. So line bracket is called, bar bracket is called vinculum. The second one is called round bracket or small bracket or parenthesis. Parenthesis also you should know the different name, English little hard name, but you have to understand which is a round bracket or small bracket. We sometimes call it a simple bracket also. Now this is called curly bracket. You say it as curly bracket, I say it as braces. This is another name is braces, BRACES. It is under the braces means you need to something between it, this. Could understand? So this will be there. Then next is called the square bracket or the big bracket or the box bracket. So at last the bracket work will be box bracket. I hope you have understood it. What is how you will solve the bracket. Now before we move on to the exercise, I will give you a little idea, because you children get confused with plus and minus. When the plus and minus addition, subtraction work will be there, and when the plus and minus the sign multiplication will be there, that you get confused. First of all, I have taken this example. See, 25 is having plus sign, here 23 is minus sign, 7 is having plus sign, 30 is minus sign. Don't get confused. plus is a different category and minus is a different category. So all the minus together, if you want to do, then you have to do the addition of the number and the sign will be minus. And all the plus, once you make together, you have to add all the number and the sum will come in plus. Here also same, don't do this operation as 25 minus 3 is 2, plus 2, plus 7, plus 9, minus 30. That way, don't follow that you are violating Badmas. Answer will come correct when only plus minus is, sometimes it may be wrong. Therefore, what you do know, the procedure say, Badmas said, all the plus number you have, here the plus number are 2, 25 plus 2, you can write down one line as like this, then minus number separately. Then add the plus number, that is 32, that you are done in the integers and whole number simply. This numerical value you get, minus are the different category I said. Numerical value that it will be 53, so minus 53. Now difference the sign, you have to do the subtraction plus in respect to that when there is no bracket and plus and minus different signs are there, no numerical value has to be subtracted. Greater number from greater number to the smaller number. If you greater number to smaller number, if you subtract, you will find 21. 21 will carry what sign? Plus sign or minus sign. That time you have to see the greater number is having what sign, the greater numerical value is having what sign, minus sign, so it will carry minus sign. I hope you have understood it. Now, moving on to the next question. Here the sign multiplication is there. Here sign multiplication is there. See here bracket means sign multiplication, within bracket means. So plus sign is multiplied with minus sign. You know plus multiplied plus is plus, minus multiplied minus is also plus. But plus multiplied minus is minus and minus multiplied plus is also minus. Similar case for division also. Plus divided by plus will be plus, minus divided by minus will be minus, plus, but plus divided by minus or minus divided by plus will become minus. So difference the sign will be minus, but similar the sign will be plus. So in this case plus multiplied, this one will be plus. So remove the bracket first. 25 plus 23. See the answer will be different. See minus 7. Okay, and this will become plus minus minus 30. Now see here the plus number of what? This 2. So you have to add this 2, it will become 48. Now here is the minus number, addition will be what? Minus 37. Now you do the subtraction, numerical value subtraction, it will become 11, isn't it? 11. And what sign will carry? As the greater number is having minus plus sign, then it will carry. This will be the answer. Could you understand? Don't get confused. Here minus 21 with the bracket, see the answer has come different. Okay, fine. Now move on to exercise and let us solve. I have taken 45 divided by minus 5. See this, before you do the division, no, 45 is a plus number divided by. You can solve this one, it will be better. Divide by work you do with the fraction. Then you go for the cancellation. Plus divided by minus is minus only. 5 9s are 45. So minus 9. Here it is minus 9 first. Up to this is minus 9, isn't it? You write minus 9, then this minus 60 divided by minus 10. Similarly, if you do it like this now, minus 10, this minus will be cancelled, 6. So it will become 6. So now minus 9 plus 6 will be what? It will be minus 3, isn't it? That the minus 3 will be the answer. Don't get confused with all these things, okay? Now, what you are going to do is, you know, this is the next number, you see. Here the bracket is there. There, what will you do? In the bracket also simple bracket work. Had it been bar bracket, then you could have done the bar bracket work. So what we'll do, till the simple bracket work we will not do anything. We will straight away go into that. 9 divided by, then you do the bracket work. In the bracket also you have to follow the Badmas. First you have to do division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Then first multiplication. Don't do the subtraction work. So it will be 15 minus 12. You can do in one operation, you can do in two operations. You can do in two operations very nicely. Could you understand? Now remaining you write down as it is. Okay. Now you got it. Now next step. Don't go for the step jumping in simplification. Answer will be wrong. Now 23. You do again bracket work is not over. Let the bracket work be over. Minus. Within curly bracket, simple bracket is not removed. So go till simple bracket. Divided by 15 minus 3. Now plus 15 minus 12 is 3 within the curly bracket. Simple bracket vanished now. Now 23. Now again do the bracket work, it will become 3, isn't it? So minus 3. Now to plus 23 minus 3 is 20. That's the answer. I hope you have understood this. This way you go. You don't go for the step jumping. Each step you do following Badmas. Now this one 37 minus within bracket 60. Then we will do what? You will write down as it is still the bar bracket. You write down this. Okay. 60 divided by, see within curly bracket 27 minus this simple bracket. What will you do now in the working column, as it is the if suppose it is a working column, what will you do now? This simple bar bracket, what you make it up to where bar, from here to here. That means outside the bracket there is a minus, and you can write down within the simple bracket so that the operation will be without mistake. So it will become 4. So minus 4. Could you understand me? So this became minus 4. 11 minus 4. That you can do mentally also. Your bar bracket work is over, but simple bracket work is not over. Write down this. The next step, again you go for simple bracket work now. Before that, don't do anything. Write as it is. You forget to write the same similar line. You just do different thing. 27. You do the operation. It will become what? 7. Minus 7 because plus 12, plus 11 minus 4 is 7. Plus 7 inside and minus is outside. Plus minus minus 7. Okay. Now simple bracket vanish. What will you do? Simple bracket. That means your round bracket is vanished. Now 37 minus, you do the second bracket work within a square bracket 60 divided by, if you do it, it will be 20. No, now is your this part, your 37 minus square bracket will be 3, it will become 34. 34 is the answer. If you go step by step, your answer will match. Check, your answer will definitely match. Now I have taken one fraction sum. What will you do? Fraction sum, first you convert into the same procedure you follow. 21 by 4. 21 by 4 it is, isn't it? So 21 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 of 1 by 2. Of 1 by 2. So here of work will do first, or division work will do first. As because op comes in the order first, Badmas, you have to do op work first. Don't do anything violating this. Op means multiplication, you know that. 3 by 14 divided by 3 by 14, isn't it? Because it will not be cancelled. 3 by 14. Now to do the division work, divide the fraction will become reciprocal. So into 14 by 3. Then you simplify this one. 3 will cancel, 3 7s are 21, this will be cancelled with 2 and this will be cancelled with 7. So it will be 49 by 2, 49 by 2 is equal to, how much will it be? 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8, 1 by 2. That will be the answer. I hope you have understood. Remaining I will cover in the next video.